In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable email read receipt in Outlook. First, open your web browser and head to your preferred search engine. In the search bar, type Outlook and press Enter. From the results, click the official Outlook website to open your inbox. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and sign in so you can access your mail settings. You can also go directly to the Outlook web app if you already know the address, but searching is a quick way to get there from anywhere. Once your mailbox loads, look to the top right corner of the page for the gear icon. That's the Settings button. Click it to open the Settings pane. This panel shows quick options, but we want the full settings area. Select Mail to open the detailed Mail settings so you can make changes that apply across your account. In the Mail settings menu, find and click Message Handling. This section controls how Outlook behaves when certain actions are taken on your messages. Inside Message Handling, look for the Read Receipts area. This controls how your mailbox responds when other people request a read receipt from you. Choose the option labeled Always Send a Response. With this enabled, whenever someone emails you and requests a read receipt, Outlook will automatically confirm that you've opened their message. This is useful if you work with teams that rely on confirmations, or you want fewer pop-ups asking for permission each time you read a requested message. Before you leave the page, make sure to click Save. If you don't save, your preference won't apply, and Outlook will keep using your previous setting. A few quick tips to help you get the most from this setting. First, read receipts are a request, not a guarantee. Even with this option enabled, you'll only send a receipt when the sender has asked for one, and different mail systems may handle receipts differently. Second, if privacy is a concern, you can always switch this back to Ask me before sending a response or Never send a response later. Those options are in the same place. Finally, this setting is about responding to read receipt requests you receive. Requesting read receipts for emails you send is a separate option in Outlook's Compose settings, which you can explore when you're ready. That's it. You searched for Outlook, opened the site, went into Settings via the gear icon, selected Mail, navigated to Message Handling, enabled. Always send a response under Read Receipts, and saved your changes. Your account will now automatically acknowledge read receipt requests when they come in.